is a skid steer. And back here, that is a real skid steer. Whoa, it's really big. Whoa, big, small, big, small. Whoa! 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 Ooh, ring, ring, ring! This right here? Wow, this is a backhoe. Front bucket and back bucket. Ring, ring, ring. Keep the leaf. Okay, leaf, come over here. Oh, let's get some more leaves. Whoa! Ring, 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 ring. Ring, ring, ring. Whoa! Whoa! This, yeah, is a cement mixer. Whoa! 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 Cement mixer on top of the tire. Whoa! Oh, look! This is a dump truck. Oh, let's put some stuff in the back of the dump truck. Whoa! And look at these three toys. This is a front loader, this is an excavator, and this is the front loader. I thought this was the front loader. This is a bulldozer, but this is the front loader. Check these out. Come over here. Whoa, look at how big this is. Wow. Jeez, this is huge! And look, this is so small. Small excavator, big excavator. Okay, come over here. Okay, stay there, excavator. Okay. Whoa! Look! It's a front loader. It's so big. And this is the front loader toy. But that, come here. Wow, it's so big. That is a real front loader. And what's this? Whoa! This is a bulldozer. And it's really big. And this is a bulldozer toy. Well, Thanks so much for learning about construction vehicles with me.
B-L-I-P-P-I